If you're trying to up your English level, stop saying very, very cold, very hot, very thirsty, very hungry. Today, we're going to talk about the words that native speakers use, and if you want to get a high score on your tests, you should use too. Before we start, if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell. All right, so let's start. These are called strong words in English. This is a strong version of a simple word like tired. Well, very tired or exhausted, okay? Next one, very happy. Ooh, I'm ecstatic. Very sad. I'm heartbroken. Very angry. Furious. Very hungry. I'm starving. Very good. Hey, excellent. Very bad. Terrible. Very cold. Freezing. Very hot. Scorching. Very pretty. Stunning. Very boring. Mind-numbing. Very clean, spotless, very messy, chaotic, very loud, deafening, very interesting, captivating, very fast, rapid, very slow, sluggish, very confused, baffled, very busy, swamped, and very rich, loaded. Now, your challenge. Can you write a sentence in the comments using one of these words? I will be reading them.